Included with this OptiMate Solar charger are two ways to connect to the battery: clamps for quick connection to any battery, and a fused protected harness with eyelets that can be permanently fitted to one battery. Both connect to the output cable of the OptiMate Smart Charge controller. Once connected, the controller will indicate the status of your battery. To charge your battery, the opposite end of the charge controller, nearest to the solar LED, connects to the solar panel's output cable. When the controller senses the panel is connected and receiving sun, it changes to charge mode. The solar LED blinks and one other LED will indicate charge progress. The solar panel delivers 17 to 22 volts into the controller, and it smartly converts that to a lower voltage, safe for charging your battery, and that also makes sure the panel works efficiently. The solar panel has 4 corner mounts for fixing it to a wall or roof facing the sun. Tip: if you must mount the panel further away from the battery, you can fit an optional charge extender cable between the panel and the controller. There are 3 different lengths available. The OptiMate Solar can be permanently left connected to charge and maintain your battery.